Her being Ash Trevino, the now infamous inmate hopper. We would like to thank today's sponsors.
Hello.
Humanitarian aid to thousands of injured, abused, and abandoned children. This episode's partnerships have also made it possible to support Rotten Mango's growing team. We'd also like to thank you guys for your continued support as we work on our mission to be worthy advocates. As always, full show notes are available at RottenMangoPodcast.com. A few disclaimers for today's case. There are heavy mentions of DV, potential CA, or potential neglect. I also want to make it very clear that the two minor daughters involved have already been through a lot publicly. We're going to be doing everything in our power to keep them anonymous and, of course, use just initials regardless of if their info is already all the way out there. It's also important to note that all the allegations regarding the Trevino family, especially Ash Trevino, are claims that Ashley herself has publicly admitted to or done on camera. Though at the time of filming, no charges have been made or pressed against Ash Trevino. The only quote-unquote guilty parties would be the people mentioned who are previously incarcerated. Any and all opinions, commentary, and theories are netizen-based and not personal. We're just trying to report on all online sentiment and aspects surrounding this case. I will have to say that I embarked on this brain-rotting journey that is Ash Trevino's lore, believing that it was going to be an episode for my other podcast, Moral of the Story. Which I'm going to link below. A lot of you guys have been messaging me that it's the perfect cleanser, if you will, almost for mental health after some of these recent RM cases.
Nakuha ko na.
But the more that
Hindi
I
ko
started
siya.
jumping into the rabbit holes of court documents of her boyfriends, two things
Cannot
occurred.
be.
I believe that she is a danger to her children and perhaps even
Kaya
society.
pumasok yung
And two, I feel like she has laid eggs in my brain. I feel like my
feeling
IQ
ko
was
kasi,
dropped
diba?
at least 10 points
Diba
after
yung
listening
box
to her
na
live
lagyan ng
streams.
0.5, 0.5.
So with that being said,
So,
let's get started.
siguro.
In the past few weeks, the internet has...
Ash-Trevino. Kilala niyo ba siya? Kilala niyo ba siya? I don't know, because she's everywhere in my FYP. So, lately, nakikinig kasi ako kay Stephanie. So, Rotten Mango. So, we're here, and now I'm listening to the issue. I love you guys. I don't know what happened.
Band together to get a CPS case opened on a TikToker named Ash Trevino. Ash Trevino is, I want to say she is constantly live streaming. It's like being a CCTV camera on her phone, just a wall camera, a fly on the wall.
Hindi naman, go.
She is 36.
Basta wag
She has two
sobra
daughters that are
kasi
16
di ba masama din
and
daw
13.
yan.
And she believes that the internet is
Hi,
unjustly
AC.
trying to
Hi,
take it away from her.
Blueberries. Hi,
Ashley addresses
everybody.
this in a live stream saying,
y'all are really trying to get my kids taken from me.
Mag-workout
and
kami
it's not
mamaya
gonna
ni
happen.
Mami
Do you know how
in a
many
while.
CPS cases I've had on me in the last 4 months? And I still have custody of my kids? Like, you do understand when you call CPS.
Are you going here sa La Union?
They're
Yes!
right? You do understand that, right? For those of y'all that love to call CPS
Yes,
on me,
because
y'all do understand.
I'm planning
You have to have
our
that my
what do you call
kids
this?
are in harm's way.
Team.
My kids are this, my kids are that, my kids. Y'all really have to have proof.
Ha?
so here is the list of proof that netizens have gathered against Ash Trevino.
Did she just brag about she had 20
Nakaano ako
cases
ha?
on her?
And nothing has happened.
Saan ba?
That's her biggest flex, biggest accomplishment, is evading CPS
baka sa
falling through the
models.
cracks of CPS. In the state of Texas, one of the
Ay, hindi,
main things
wala
CPS
doon.
workers
Yung
are
models
looking
wala
for
doon.
is kitchen and food
Yun lang yung, oo, yung
The
parang
guidelines
mga
are
artist
along
lang
the
yung
lines of
nilagay doon.
kitchen should have healthy,
Kasi alam ko,
healthy,
nag-message sa akin si Tala, nagtatanong na
options like fruits, vegetables, dairy, and
parang
proteins to
kailan
ensure
yung
proper child
feeding
nutrition.
ata.
Which, some netizens are pointing out that it seems like the entirety of the
Tanong mo
food
siya, sabi mo,
consumption that
tas
Ash
pag
eats-
sabi mo hindi pa rin ako
Fitness
nakapag-fitting,
gurus who have
dapat
done 40-minute
kahapon,
videos on Ash Trevino's
eh
diet,
wala daw
just
nasa
critiquing the way
Sticky
she
Whore
eats.
ata sila.
Her main consumption is hot Cheeto and
Yep, ayun, pupunta pala kami ng, ng La Union, pero sa may Baknotan yung binubuk kong area, hindi sa San Juan, pero 10 minutes away lang siya sa San Juan.
Hello guys, hello, hi, mabuhay.
Ang payat niya, di ba? Ganda, Mami Yaj. Sabi, ganda, Mami Yaj.
Hello, sawariha. Pag nagpadala po kayo ng mga prutas, mga salad-salad din. Ha?
Kasi, ano rin siya, diet.
As we're both on a diet. And yung mga prutas niyo, sobrang dami na. Puno na yung rep namin, mga che. Wala na kaming space sa rep. Gusto niyo ba makita?
Baka susunod rep na lang.
Wala na kaming space sa rep. Wala na lahat ng mga ulam namin na panis na kasi puro prutas yun sa rep.
There is not a fresh leaf in sight.
Guys.
$700.
And she let you
$100 chips.
Pero totoo, ang dami namin fruits. Pero naubos ko nga agad yung blueberries kagabi.
Which naturally angers a lot of netizens. A lot of netizens feel like, if I had $800...
Are you gonna, Mima, yung di mo... Oo nga eh.
Kids everything fresh and nutritious. I would get them
Sige.
In another
Oo nga,
live
hindi ko
stream,
pa pala
kids are
narinig.
talking about how they want Ashley to make food for them tomorrow. And she's shocked.
Try mo.
She's genuinely
Kumakain ka
shocked
naman
on the live stream.
Oo nga, pero like... Guys, mayroon siyang in-experiment. Yung tubig
Hindi ko
nila...
okra water, guys. If people know naman, tataas sa blood sugar, ganyan.
Totoo ba?
Yeah.
They have never
Take mo.
seen her daughters eat a home-cooked meal, ever. And they suspect that her two kids are probably suffering from a lack of nutrition.
Yung katas niya, yun yung slimy.
Oo, slimy nga.
She gets the chips in her hand, and she throws it back like she's taking a shot.
Parang kang kumain ng...
Chips like she's taking
Parang
a
kang kumain ng gulaman na ewan.
But I guess one
Pero
correction,
peri lang yung
I mean,
lasa.
at least her kids
Yung
eat.
nakakasok lang yung pumapasok na yun.
Ang ayoko
The
yung
next
isa,
thing CPS looks for are appropriate sleeping
yung
arrangements.
mapait.
This is a big one. Infants
Yun,
stay
mapait
cribs,
yun.
free of blankets and toys. Opposite children over 6 years old. should
Na-try
typically
ko
have
na,
separate
na-try na
rooms
daw
and
nila.
bunk beds.
Yung okra water.
Okay na, okay yan.
O, di ba? Okay ang okra water.
Meron siya okra water tsaka yung mapait.
Serpentina, if you guys know.
16 and 13.
Sasali ka ba? Opo, sasali po ako.
Wait,
Sali po ako sa The Biggest Loser.
Sali po siya.
Okay yan water, hindi Coke. Ay, favorite niya yung Coke.
Kaya nga.
Tapos kunwari, diet siya, pero kaya Coke Zero na lang.
Uy, totoo nga daw kasi yun. Try mo.
Again, not being able to afford proper food.
Parehas
Sino ba
din
yung
naman yun.
nagsabi
Si,
sa akin?
si exaggerate ba yan? Yes po, ma'am.
necessities these
Opo,
days.
ma'am.
Ashley should be ashamed. She gives
Sa
her
exaggerate
daughters
po
an air
yan.
mattress, not because of her lack. Good.
Sasali ko ba next year sa MUPH? Depende po sa budgeting. Ang baba naman ng on-screen. Dapat ganito yung mga view natin eh.
Kasi wala tinatawad ako.
Double chin lang nila nakikita
Oo
ko.
nga ako din. Fresh ni Mami Yad, sabi.
I think inak. Pagpalain kayo nawa ng Diyos at may kapal, Charles.
Bigyan niya po siyang budget. Sasali siya.
Bigyan niyo po siya ng budget. Pag marami po kaming budget, naku, lahat sa salian namin, pati Showtime, sexy babe.
Showtime sexy babe.
Ganda naman ni Celeste
Sa gilid
ni
mo.
CJ.
Yes.
Hindi pa ako si Celeste.
Si Randall po yun.
Opo.
Si Randall po yun. Siya po si
Pa-shout out Carl. Shout out Carl.
Siya po si Cindy.
Nag-gory ka
Obenita.
pa ate. Opo. Uy. Hindi tayo ganun kasing galing ni Ate Cindy mag-Q&A, te.
Misappropriation of those funds. It's estimated that on her license in gifts, donations,
Ma, you
alone,
should totally
she
check my
brings
IG
in
story. I
around
mentioned in
$14,000 a singular day.
Wow, thank
Bakit
you.
issue?
$15,000 a day. She says the most
I will
she
not
ever
forget
wanted
when you came
in
here in
2.5 hours
Lawagma.
was $12,000.
Oy.
2 beses na kami siyang pumunta dyan.
Oo, yung una, si Mami Yad kasama ko. Yung pangalawa, nasa ano siya eh.
Sa Bolivia
Sa
ako, mga
Bolivia
Chelsea.
siya.
And she
Ano
says,
daw?
"These
I
are
failed
not
against
too
CJ.
Trust me, I
So
will."
yun, papakita namin yung mga ulam namin sa inyo. Ampalaya,
May dala siyang food.
ampalaya, laing, tsaka ginataang langka. Yun. For the gulay kami ngayon.
Tapos brown rice lang daw.
Yes.
$395 at Ulta.
Nakailang
Pingi
daw.
ako.
Pingi.
Nakailang gown ka na? Madami na, Marge.
Madami na mo siya.
Hello, mother.
Sumakses na si Mami Yad. Oo, true. Siya nga papalit kay Papa Now.
Abangan niyo po.
Ay, hindi po.
Shit. No.
she goes to purchase a Louis
Hindi
Vuitton
para
purse.
pa.
And I'm
Hindi
not
na para
exactly
pa.
sure why she chooses this purse, but it's quite
Kabangay-
literally a carry-on bag.
Yes,
She
meron.
just buys a giant-sized duffel bag.
May hawak
but
din
uses it
siya.
as a
Saan?
Sa MUPH.
Yes, may hawak po ako.
Tapos, dalawa kaming hawak niya sa Miss Grand.
Sa Miss Grand, oo. Abangan po natin ang Miss Grand Philippines this year. Abangan nyo, I promise. I promise you, kakabahan kayo talaga. Maluloka ang lahat ng maluloka.
Kasi sasali ako ulit.
Kasi kasali siya ulit. Guys, sinong sinasabi kong pakabangan nyo talaga? Like Miss Grand Philippines.
Sasali ako ulit.
Actually, you know what? Nagpe-prepare na kami. It's so early, di ba? Nagpe-prepare na kami.
Kabado.
Nagre-rehearse na ang nagre-rehearse. Ganon!
There's also a clip of her where she's
Sabi ko kay ma'am,
shopping and she has this
tatumbling kasi ako.
and it's not a purse, it's the actual
MMD Anita, abangan po natin. Maglaban-laban sila.
Magpuksaan din kung sinong magpupuksaan. Sasali daw si Princess.
swinging it around. It is the strangest
Wag na yun siya.
Abangan nyo. Wala po akong hawak sa Miss Grand, ha?
Kami po, ako po hawak.
Oo, hawak ko po si CJ.
Sunglasses from Louis.
Ano lang po ako sa Miss Grand competition this year? Ano lang? Taga-sita lang. Tama ba yan? Ganon. Hindi masyadong gorgeous. Chares.
Oh, hindi siya hindi.
Hindi, wala akong candidate.
Pero galgal pa din siya sa backstage.
Yes.
Hawak sa lihi. Si Papa.
Basta abangan nyo kasi the production. Oh my God.
Exciting.
Exciting. And then, kung ano yung mga crown na kasama doon.
For sure. Now that I know that they fixed up their room.
Exaggerate for F.
2026.
They fixed up their room. They brought their cajons
Ay,
back from my mom's house because they had their vanity stuff over there. They brought
Ano
everything
daw?
back. So now I'm gonna buy them a bed for Christmas.
Namamansin ba ang Queen
And I'm
CJ?
gonna
Yes
get it before
po.
Christmas.
Sana kasing level, ano da?
Because they're older.
CJ ang
What if
next
I should
MGI
get them one bed to
2025.
share?
Ipanalangin po natin para makuha po natin ang golden
She says,
crown.
additionally, this excuse is brought up that she's just not sure which
Si
bed
Mami
to
Yad
get
siya
them,
nang
and that's the
sasali.
reason that she's stalling from purchasing
Hello po
the
from
bed.
LU. Hello.
Which she
Do you watch
continues to
Astro?
spend so much
Yeah,
money.
yeah. Ito
Nilalaban
siya
daw
to.
ba si Anita?
Thousands of dollars every
Hindi
I
pa
don't
namin
know.
alam.
Ubers and
Wala pa kaming
Airbnbs as
idea
well
sa
as
mga
alcohol.
magjo-join.
Like she's going living at different Airbnbs.
Yes, she just
Sana-
loves to
hello po,
Sali
Ate
ulit.
Airbnbs
Oo,
and
sali
just
ulit.
party
MGI
with
ulit.
18-year-olds that she meets on TikTok. This is a 36-year-old
Michelle Di
woman.
ata
This is
lalaban.
oddly infuriating, but it's not just material goods that she's purchasing.
Hindi
At
namin
one point,
sure.
Ashley leaves her kids at home to go to
Message natin siya.
Oo. Message nyo punta kayo sa IG ni Madam. May bago siyang album, Reyna. Yeah.
Reyna.
Please support our, Miss Universe Queen.
Yes.
Wanting to experience it with them.
For her
When netizens
new
call her
song.
out on this, like, this is so weird.
San
You've got
Antonio.
two girls and you go to Disney by
Hello.
yourself?
What's your advice daw?
Disney. I've said
What's
this
your
before.
advice
You
po
were
sa
not on
sasali
that
sa
live. I'm sorry
pageant?
you weren't there.
Sa,
But
MGI
I did
ba?
not take them to Disney.
Sa kahit saang
Sa,
pageant.
sa kahit anong pageant.
Train.
Yes.
They
Mag-training.
don't like to get
And
on camera,
losing is
which is
the new
not true.
winning.
Her
Chares.
kids have TikTok accounts, and one of them debunked
Losing,
her, literally saying, I don't know
twice.
what she said,
Charat.
but I have-
Yes.
I
And
saw
being
her
Miss
get on
Runner-Up.
airplanes.
Huh?
This is so weird. And also, if
Ang
the reason that she
basher.
doesn't take them is
And
because
being
school
first
runs,
runner-up
she
is
just
the
takes them
best.
on break. It's not like she has to go Monday through Wednesday. She could go on the weekend or during spring break. But the bragging
Hindi ka ba
never ends.
kakanta Ate
Ashley
CJ sa
Trevino even
production?
casually
Wag niyo nang
talks about
sirain
the
yung
BMW.
production
Ano
video.
daw, pwede ba mabook?
One day. She's sitting
As
there
age mo
eating
per
in and
pageant
out
si
live
Mami,
streaming,
just
and
subi
she's
po,
showing
Miss
her
Columban.
she's sitting
Yes!
Man, just
Pwede.
message me, you know.
Just message her.
Alam mo ba na lagi ako nasa Zambales? Kahit init na init ako dun sa lugar niya. Like, after ng sun, Zambales na yung next.
Sunroof. And
Sobrang
it's
init.
like, it has a
Kwento ko
San,
sa inyo.
Sambales, Impierno.
Yes.
Kakatabi.
Di ba, sun, tapos gilid niya, Zambales. Tapos yung katabi pa nun, Impierno.
Tsaka pa lang yung Earth.
Oo, ilang beses kami lumaban, di ba? Binibining Pilipinas namin na ano, ay, oo. Binibining Pilipinas namin na laban, ano kami?
Ano yun?
Tourism video.
video.
Tourism video kami, mamatay-matay kami. Alam mo ba, tumalon ako sa swimming pool para lang, tumalon ako sa swimming pool,
Malamigan
basa
siya.
ako, tapos minimake-upan ko siya.
Yes.
Suffer in it!
Her daughters, even if they were of age,
Tapos,
they're 13 and 16.
wala kaming dalang false eye.
Tapos wala kaming dalang false eye, naiwan namin yung false eye. Ginupit namin yung buhok niya, guys. Tapos ito yung dinikit namin isa-isa, ni Nella. Sobrang init talaga. Tapos nagkaroon naman ng Miss Universe, diba? Miss Universe Tourism video ulit. Oh my God, sobrang init ulit. Tapos meron pa siya sa dagat na may paitesena pa siya sa dagat with a child. Ay, ko.
Oo nga pala, nagbangka pa tayo.
Oo, nagbangka pa tayo. Tapos sobrang init talaga. Oh my God.
FaceTiming her daughter and smirking on the camera at her own daughter's lips, and she's scoffing.
So, uulitin
In a
mo
separate
yun.
live stream, she's on FaceTime again with
Ano
her
may
daughter,
laman
and
yung
says,
sambalis,
"I know this
sambalis."
is perfect. This is a little freaked out content.
Super
not
Latina.
it has
Super Latina, super
Tapos
init.
ngayon, kasama na si Randall. Ano yun?
Ay, may matay yun, Nay.
Sabi ni Randall, ayoko na maging
Now,
stylist.
to be fair, this is because her daughter
Ay,
did
oo
get
nga
a
pala.
notification.
Sasali ka ng
And
Miss
this is the
Universe.
FaceTime where she reveals it to her
Charis.
So,
Sino
she
pang
does have
tinuturoan mo
to
sa
try, I guess,
MU?
to be angry, but not really.
Sasali ka pa sa...
Madami. Medyo madami
Madami siya.
sila.
Mga 16 po yung alaga niya for.
Huwag naman ang
This is
umabot
the
na.
same woman that on my street, she
Soon to
called
be
her own
coach.
two daughters
Soon to be
slurs while
coach.
laughing.
Anak siya ni Miar. Oo.
Grabe, ang patient, dinikit isa-isa. Yes, kasi wala
Yes.
talaga kaming ano
Another
nun.
clip, she's talking to her
Ano
kids,
daw,
and
makeup
they're arguing.
artist
I have an A+
like
in
you
every
po
class.
needs a
No, you
representative.
don't.
Sobrang
No, you
support.
don't.
Oo naman.
No, you're not.
Oo naman,
Grabe ang
guys.
support niyan.
Anyway, literally,
At kaba na din.
Oo. Parang himatay na yung mga
Kala mo
kaba.
nga siya kasali.
Ang ganda nyo po. Love you, Mama Yetch. Love you too.
There's so many different pillars on how you take care of children. You can't even just physically
Pupunta
provide
ka po
the
ba
basic
sa...
necessities.
Pupunta
You have to
kaming
emotionally
LU
be there
ng
and
team,
physically
buong
be
team.
there for them.
Kasama ko
Her
ang
younger
buong
daughter,
team.
E, has
Yes, mag-outing kami doon. Di ba sobrang tagal? November pa siya nanalo.
instead of taking her, jumps on another
Ang late ng ano namin. Sobrang busy.
baby.
Sobrang kasing ano, yung step by step na sumakses.
Hoy!
Explain nothing.
Yung lahat. Hindi, I mean lahat.
isa kasi.
To be honest, everyone na part ng team namin since Binibini, sobrang busy nila. They are booked and busy. So, like, pasabog.
Grabe ang-
Sawari ka, mga mami. Ay, Sir Iran, how are you today?
Sawari ka, Sir Ethan. Live selling naman. Live selling.
Pabulong po kailan? Kailan?
Boyfriend
Ay,
mo yan, Queen.
Medical history for the high
boyfriend mo yun. Mukha ba akong lalaki, sis?
might end up in a CPS file somewhere. Ashley's live streaming. She's walking into her room dancing.
Ba't wala?
Okay, nabahan ako doon sa lumabas.
We're gonna get
Hayop ka.
one of her daughters.
Kilala mo ba yan? Yung sinaano niya, si Ash Trevino. Narinig mo ba
Mom, I
yun?
just
Hindi.
threw up.
Oh my God, you need to watch this. Ano?
You just threw up.
Someone kill her?
You're lying.
Kasali po ba si MMD now sa MGI? Hindi ko po namin alam. Pag-chat po namin siya. Or kayo na po mag-chat. Pa-shoutout to kay Carl. Kanina pa yan. Sabi mo, hi Carl.
Hi, Carl!
The fact that her first instinct is to accuse her of lying.
May candidate po kayo for ano.
Just roommates in their own home. Like there's no relationship.
Sasali po ako sa
For
MGI.
Thanksgiving, for example.
Paano po sasali na
Ano,
eh?
MGT.
These are the netizens are compiling on Reddit.
Kailan tayo
Si
mag-beach?
Randall, comment.
Kailan tayo mag-beach?
Di nga nagkakasundo yung mga panahon.
Wala pang ang schedule ate. Iba-iba pa ate.
Where she's gonna stay with who she calls her Tia.
Di
Tia
magkakasundo.
Why don't you join MUCJ? Pag,
Ashley's auntie.
if the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. Diba? Binibini days pa namin yan kataga.
She's not been invited to her own parents' Thanksgiving, so she's going to a random
Miss World
person that she
naman.
met online to her home, bringing her kids all the way to
Nima,
LA
nilalagnat
on
ko.
Thanksgiving,
Ba't
leaving
naman
them
Nima?
alone
Magsuob na Mima.
Oo nga,
She's like,
magsuob
"Don't order
na,
DoorDash for
ngayon na."
Thanksgiving. I'm gonna go get drunk at the bars. And she
May
lies
pa
about
ano daw,
this.
content ka ba na ganda-gandahan pag pumunta kayong LU mo?
Yeah, and then,
Ha?
so she rented an
Magchichill lang
Airbnb
kami
all
nun,
time.
ma.
Mag-chill lang kami na. Tama
Tama
na muna sa
ganda-gandahan.
kaka-content. Tsaka sa mga mag-ano lang kami. Matulog ba?
Hindi kami masyadong content. Tulog, ano na? Hindi masyadong magko-content. Para ano lang.
Kasama niyo si Piang.
Si Fiang?
Kaloka kayo.
Kasama niya si Fiang. Di, be.
Pabulong po kailan kayo punta ng LU. Wala pa kaming date, ate.
Wala pa date. Pero hopefully this one.
Sana this month. Talaga ba? Kaya ba?
Di ba?
Ate,
Next
anong
month na
fashion
wala
designer
kayo
mo sa...
eh.
Ano din ang fashion designer mo sa PFP? Next month po, abangan nyo po ako kung sino po nga ayusin ko.
Wala ka next month, di ba?
Dahil pinold ko siya
Wala
na
kayo next month ng first week.
Even Samsung Z.
Diba?
Huawei Z. Huawei Z Tripod.
Nang
And
bola.
what's this? Swipe
Ay,
right sa
oo.
left, doon naganap. Swipe right, doon rin naganap. Alam niya kung saan ako nag-swipe to unlock the device. It's very smart.
CJ engages with fans on ano. Yes po.
Of course.
Let's unbox this phone or tablet or phablet, whatever. Huawei Mate X Ultimate Design.
Thank you for following. Ano
Sino daw pong bet nyo?
The stranger that she meets on
Saan ba?
Secret.
throws them into the Airbnb and is like, here, order DoorDash because I'm about to
Gabby
go out
Bashano
with
for
the party that
MGI.
I met.
Laban-laban po yan.
Oh,
Ang kailangan po natin ay ang the best candidate for MGI. So everyone, let's support all of them. Kailangan na natin maiuwi ang corona.
And lahat po ng nasa live ko required na sumali ng MGI.
Shit.
Starts posting about being in El Paso. Another creator on TikTok sees this and posts
Kailangan
a
niyo po
TikTok
lahat
where
magpasa
she is
ng
tying
ano.
her hair up into a
MU and MGI nagkasundo na. Oo nga po.
Yes! I'm so excited.
Meron ako kilala sa Sally MGI.
Ash, a full mother of
Sobrang sabog.
starts mocking the creator
Pasabog.
on her live stream.
She's like,
Ibulong ko
na
sa
lang.
inyo.
in El Paso.
Ako na lang ulit.
Your baby daddy. What are you gonna do?
She proceeds to tell the girl, then pull up.
Oo nga,
and
finalo
gives
ako ni
a
Eng
very
pa.
specific bar that she will be visiting later that night. She
Isplok na,
begs the
isplok na, sige,
creator to pull
sabihin
up
ko.
because the creator is
Ini-screenshot ko pa.
GHBTO,
Si
and
Dia
in a
nandito
rich
dito.
neighborhood.
Hi, Dia!
Hi, Dia. Ang aling Reyna Hispano-Americana.
Hi,
Diba?
Dia.
Sabihin ko na yung ano.
When the creator that she has been taunting the entire night does indeed
It's a
show up to
meeting.
the bar. Since she's pretty much
Ah?
given out her GPS coordinates and everything, she's just sitting there while the other creator is pull up. You asked me to pull up and now you don't want to say anything. You asked me to pull up.
Meron kami isang confirmed. Miss you guys.
Miss you.
Where everybody gets kicked out of the establishment.
Mag-gym si Mami
Goes on
Yadje.
live to talk about what happened, and
Wow.
she says,
Gaga tayong dalawa.
I was like,
Kami pa ng
so you
dalawa.
tell me to pull up, you tell me to pull up, and Ash starts getting up. So I went and I grabbed
Anong
her hair.
confirm? Anong confirm? Sabi niya.
Ang confirmed candidate. I see.
Bro, I grabbed it and it
Ang
ripped off.
confirmed
Hours
ay
later, live streaming,
Di
brushing my
mag
hair with her
mag-host ba
fingers
si
in.
Di?
I don't even have my bobby
Secret.
pin.
Wala pa.
Ah, wala
I
pa.
really do think she took it like for an
Abangan po natin. Mag-host po yung dalawa.
You would have thought
Hindi po sa MGI ha.
it was gonna
Abangan nyo kung sino pong, saan sila mag-host.
Abangan niyo kung anong
hold
event.
my hair. Like it's the first reaction this
Yes.
does. And I'm
Yes.
like,
Abangan nyo kung mag-host yung mga alaga ko. Maluloka talaga kayo.
that. She's saying,
Mag-host sila ng The Singing D. Charis.
the auntie.
Okay lang si Dia mag-host doon. Ako ang kapal ng mukha ko mag-host doon.
This auntie is intoxicated.
May balak po ulit siya, ano,
In the bar where viewers
sumali sa
clearly
MUA.
see
If opo,
now the
excited na ako.
violence
Slay
is
siya.
being live documented.
Salamat po. Sana po may budget po kami.
The kids end up
Si
coming
Graciela.
there, and
Yes.
the daughter is not
We
feeling
want
well.
her to
She feels
join.
sick, she wants to throw up. On top of that, she's likely stressed and freaking
I
out.
mean, I
or
want her to
anxious
join.
about the bar fight that
Charis.
happened because she tells Ashley and saw the video of what happened at the bar. Like I was
Ikaw,
watching
turo
live.
kay Atisa.
And
Hindi
if
po
you're
ako
wondering
trainer
how I
ni
know,
Atisa.
this is
How about
how
Tala?
I
Ba't di po siya nag-MUPH Sambales?
Nag-aaral.
She's studying right now. But abangan po natin siya sa mga susunod na kabanata.
For sure.
Ashley is
Nag-aaral
live
pa
streaming. You
eh.
can't see too much. The cameraman is not doing their job because they're in the middle of the fight.
Kamukha niyo po si
Eventually,
CJ
Ashley
Obias.
decides to call the police, but she's
Kahol
still
man niya,
live
no?
streaming. She does not turn it off.
Hello, ako
She does not
bumubuo
mute
ng
her
pes
phone.
niyan, ate.
She goes on to tell the police
Diyos
that
ko.
they need to hurry and come, and here is the address. She says,
Are you
her
friends with
auntie's
Englot
full
daw?
residential home
Bakla make up
address
yun,
on
ah.
the live stream. She doxes this auntie's place of
Make up yun.
residence, but also the place that she brought her children to.
Ha?
The police leave, and the auntie and all of them go back to Ashley's rented Airbnb because they don't feel safe there anymore. Which, side note, this is actually where a viral TikTok clip is formed. Ash Trevino calls her private parts her Nunu, and she has this whole song about it. And people have this running joke that her Nunu, her private spots, are quite smelly. They don't smell good. And there's this one clip that's been taken out of
Wait, why does
context.
she call her movie?
I have no clue. Yeah.
Wait natin,
And she's asking her auntie,
Today?
does it
Hindi,
smell?
sabi niya to mo.
Does it
Tom
smell?
na.
Does it smell? Does it smell?
After natin
Does
to.
it
Say
smell?
ma?
Does it smell? Does it smell? Did it smell? Did it smell? And
May
she
sari
does
po ba kayo for
10
being
times while
MGI?
she's on live stream.
Lakas ng keep.
The context of this is she was vaping in the bathroom, and she didn't want her kids to know that she was vaping in the bathroom.
May
But that
mga
doesn't even
trainees
make sense
ako,
because
guys, ng
they're in a different
MEPH.
line. She was caught giving her
Medyo
kids her
madami
vape
sila.
to use. So I don't
Gusto
know
ng
why she's
keypad.
asking
Ayan ang
this
hininaan
out.
ko na,
She
ha.
was insinuating something
CJ
else and
shot
was trying to
na.
cover it up with this whole vape
Si
story, but it's
Hispan.
become this whole internet meme
Biglang
with a life of
success.
its own of did it smell? Did it smell? Did it smell? No, but did it smell? So the group of them, they're now back at Ashley's Airbnb, and the daughters are there. Ashley is live streaming.
Motiati
and she's
La Union. Di ba
standing there
Motiati La
chowing
Union
down on
ka?
fries,
Hindi.
and you just hear the
Ay,
auntie
Kainara
talking
Miss
ka.
Agoo lang.
a physical fight broke out. To,
Sige, kasi
I don't
sali
know
ka ng
the
pageant
extent, but it
din, eh.
seems like to some extent there was domestic violence. This is the auntie's ex-boyfriend that came, and a physical altercation took
Huh?
place between him and the auntie.
Kasi sila
And
po
the
may
auntie,
hawak
she's
ng
dry heaving
Dati.
because it's pretty clear that from the perspective
Hi,
of
love you
Rusty,
from the
she was
Philippines.
harmed
Biringan.
physically
Uy, di ba may
somehow.
Biringan
She
City?
tells Ashley, I don't know how much abuse I told you
May
about, but I
biringan.
never told my daughter about it. It is so ridiculous because
And
Ashley
the
continues
Ilan ba
chowing
fee?
down
Wala
on the
namang
fries.
fee.
Wala namang bayad, mga March.
Walang fee.
Basta sumali. Lahat po, we are encouraging everyone to join Miss Grand Philippines this year because it's gonna be like so pasabog. I promise you. I promise you that. Yeah.
Kaya, yung mga nandito required mag-sign up. 426 kayo, so lahat kayo mag-sign.
Miss Yad, shot na. Bawal kaming mag-shot na eh. Kasi kailangan maliit yung chan namin sa bench.
Bench. Pati ikaw, no?
Oo, bakla. Kasi lalakad ako sa backstage. Lalakad ako, guys, sa MOA.
Naka-underwear sa back.
Sino po bet mo sa MGT? Sino ba yung isa yung
Sila,
sinasama?
ano? Sila Gotchabel.
Oo, si Gotcha Bell. Siya pinakamalakas.
Wait, di ko alam yung pangalan ng isa.
Pero siya yung pinakamalakas.
Oo. Ang hirap kasi banggitin yung name eh. Hindi ko maano pronounce.
I saw you sa Grand. Ano daw? I saw you sa Grand Hyatt. I saw you sa Grand Westside Hotel. Saan yun?
Ako? Nung nag-shoot kaming bench.
Ah, okay.
Grand West Side.
Sumali ka doon ng binibining agham.
Thankfully, the kids are fine.
Hindi ko alam dito kay ate.
But Ashley has repeatedly doxed her home address with no regard for her kids' safety. There have been incidents.
Basta abangan nyo yung MGIPH. Sinasabi ko sa inyo talagang todo talaga, Nay. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Talagang,
Pero exciting ang
kasi kailangan kasi kailangan super dancer. So, umpisa pa lang. Magre-rehearse na sila. Pagkatapos ng screening, di ba, screening, rehearsal na yun after.
After, hindi sa screening, may dancing.
Yes.
TikTok battle. This is how she signals donate.
Kailan po MGI? Meron na pong date, pero parang we're not allowed pa to disclose it. But nakabook na siya sa
Yeah.
Nakabook na siya kung saan man siya gaganapin. Hi, Razel! Si Razel.
That means donate to me.
Hi, Razal!
I mean, nothing. Not even her safety, her children's safety, is going to get in the way of her getting those freaking galaxies. She goes out to the front to get a view of the cop car. She's showing this in the back. The officer, and she's whispering,
Bag grade. Iba-grade niya si Mami Yad.
double it.
Hello!
Bag-grade natin si CJ.
Wala naman laman yung bag.
Sige.
Meron
She
heels.
tells Alive that her daughter has a burn, and she asks,
Wala
"What
naman
is
yung
wrong
mga
with
yan
her?"
eh.
She's on the
Ay,
phone with
hindi
her friend who
nang
says,
gamit kong
I
bag.
really think you should take your daughter to urgent care if it's bad. Can you send me a picture of it? But I'm gonna have to get a freaking Uber.
Wisit
Okay?
ka.
Just because you have to get an Uber doesn't mean you shouldn't take her to the freaking urgent care.
I
know
saw
you
your
have to
name
get up
sa
early tomorrow.
documents
So
namin.
now, she
Who?
is physically neglecting
Who's
her children
Vire?
as well. But
Saan
it does
po?
get worse. When one is watching an Ash Trevino live stream, there's always one thing that gets brought up. Used, seen, just peeking from the side somewhere like a little stalker.
No, I'm not
It's a
strict.
device.
Room tour,
Specifically
wala
when
naman
Ashley
kayo
took the
makikita
roads. I'm
and I don't
called the
wanna
roads,
show
the
it,
haunted
guys.
roads.
I'm
And when
shy.
she's
It's
confronted
not
with the fact
for
that she just has him laying
It's not
around
aesthetic.
in a home where she has a 13
It's
and
not
16-year-old daughter.
aesthetic.
I mean, why? Why not put it in a drawer like a normal person?
Isa?
She's asked on live, why do people support you when you have toys in front of your minor kids?
Sa Grand
And
West
she's
Side.
supposed to
Oo,
use them?
yun. Nung
They still touch them.
nag-shoot
Like,
ako
what should we
ng
name these? So, to
bench
give you
nung
the
nakaraan.
context, there was an incident that
Doon
this
namin siya
creator is
sinook.
referring to
Kasi
in
yun
a
yung
separate
nabook
live stream.
nila na hotel
Ashley
for the
is
Para dun sa
She's charging the haunted
Pero
rose.
sad, di ako
And I guess
nakapag-stay.
one of the
Ang
kids
ganda pa
spots it
naman
and is like,
nun.
what is this that's charging?
Ew, why is that thing charging? Can you leave my Rose alone? Bro, leave my Rose alone. She needs me in a little bit.
And
Sabi
the
niyo
daughter
kasi
asks,
bag
"What's her
raid,
name?"
ayan tuloy.
Who? The rose? What's her name? Oh, I haven't named her yet. What should we name her? We should name her H. She says her name. Her own name. Not sure where to buy? Be sure.
Nasaan ang mga admins ko? Where are my admins? Admins, where are you?
presyo. At may escalator pa. Sigurado sa Shopee Mall, this 3-3. Shop now.
Okay, bag raid!
Hinanap ko pa yung bag niya, di ba?
Nanap na yung bag niya.
Sali ka ba ba ng MUPH? Ulit-ulit naman mga ate ko.
Sweet chili dip. I'll get a roasted garlic.
Mag-bag-raid na po tayo. Ito po yung bag-raid.
Barbecue dip for me.
Gentle Monster. Ito po yung gamit niya lagi pag nagtitrain siya.
Flavor dips. 10 wild tips to go crazy.
First,
Perfect match for your kids.
alam niyo kung ano to?
Always chicken tenders.
Sa mga tinitrain niya, alam niyo na to.
State of mind you're in. Popeyes got you
Ito yung nilalagay sa paa para mabigat yung ano.
crazy. Shatter crunch taste. Popeyes
Yung paa.
tenders and flavor dips. Super Kyle.
Pahira.
Ano daw? Ano ba itong pangalan nito?
Basta weights. Ankle weights.
The daughter says her own name. Because she's 16. She's
Bag from Gentle Monster.
A bag from Gentle Monster.
I-ano mo, tanggalin mo na yung...
That is so untethered from reality.
Ano makita niyo yung bag?
She's whispering or
Yeah, but I'm sure the officer can
Palatay ka daw ba, CG?
In another clip, she tells the live that her daughter has a burn.
Ang
she
next
asks,
po nating
what can I put on
item.
her burn? She's on the phone with her friend who says, I really think
Blower.
get urgent care if it's bad. Can you send me a picture of it?
Blower.
Then I'm gonna have to get
Hindi
a
po masyadong
freaking
functioning yung blower niya.
Okay.
Nag-ano na malfunction na, so pwede na po tayo magpadala ng blower. Oo.
I know, but I have to get up early.
Ang mga tinatanggap lang po namin now is Dyson.
Basically, they but it does get worse.
Dyson lang po kasi, ano,
No live stream. There's always something
Dyson lang.
just peeking
Pero ito po, tingnan nyo. Sila-sila, di ba? Nakakaloka, di ba?
Specifically,
MGI first runner-up, tapos ganito.
Thank you, ka.
Kaloka. Next po natin.
In a home where she has a
Ano ba to, te?
daughter. I mean, why? Why not?
Bakit may trophy ka pa dito?
She's also on live.
Sa bag mo, nakakaloka. Fundraising na.
Sobrang proud ko.
Sobrang proud niya. Dala-dala niya pa yung trophy niyo. 10th Platinum Stallion National Media Award, CG of the Citation for Media Influencer of the Year.
That this creator
Dala niya yun lagi.
separate live stream
Oo, sa bag niya.
charging the haunted rose.
Nakakaloka, di ba?
Spots it and is like, what is this that's charging?
Ew, why is that thing charging?
Ay! Nakakaloka to, Ti. May dala siyang plancha.
She needs me in a little bit.
Ate, walang pambiling steamer, ate.
What's her name? Who?
Ba't ganito naman yung dala-dala mo, Ti?
I haven't named her yet. What should we name her?
Nakakaya naman.
She says her
Hindi, kasi ba?
Ano daw?
because she's 16. She doesn't know what's going on. And the mom says, ew, I don't want to name her that.
Diyos ko.
Ashley just has
Ano sabi mo?
that is so untethered.
Kaloka ka. Tama yung sinabi mo, sis. Nakakaloka talaga, sis. Ito, oh.
It could never be used against her.
Bakit ito ka dito?
That she used to have this crazy animosity towards her eldest daughter.
Bakit may kaldero, Nay?
She didn't even like the fact that her children's father always paid more attention to their daughter
Hindi,
than
kasi-
her.
Ang random. Diba? May plancha, may kaldero. Tapos, yung trophy niya na panalunan niya, dala niya din.
Paglilipat bahay ba?
Ano ba? Wala naman tulo dito, ate.
One of the 7 deadly
Kaloka.
Hindi, kasi parang...
Oo, rice is life. Kasi hindi ako makain ng walang rice, ate.
Pag walang helmet na dala yung rider.
Diyos ko.
She literally has been through,
Ay.
like,
Wala na tayong pambiling Jisoo Life.
her life. Like, I'm telling
Mainit
you,
kasi.
whenever we
Hala, walang pambiling Jisoo Life, mga che.
Mainit.
Tama ba yung
he loved her more than he loved me, and so like I took my anger out on her.
Sis, ang laki.
hate me for that. Like, she doesn't even
Sis.
Ang laki naman ng electric fan mo na.
Oh. Oh.
In fairness, malamig siya.
Diba?
How crazy this is that she's
Oh.
jealous of her own child.
Mini electric fan ate.
To then further address
Kasi
the
minsan
situation,
mainit sa
separate
studio,
live stream
kaya may
Hello
dala
ka.
doing her makeup while clarifying the
Mainit daw sa studio tayo. Guys, Jisoo Life din po, pwede na po tayo. Kung maliit lang po ang budget, sige po, yung Domo ko? Domo? Basta yun na po yun.
Ano yun?
Tag 700 lang po yun sa Shopee.
Ito lang kasi yung alam.
I was
Di na iba.
that's why I wouldn't hit my kid.
Pakilabas daw inidoro na. Parang walang idinidoro dito.
Wala namang inodoro babe.
Ito mga normal na. Mga power bank.
Ayan. Kasi pag nalobat yung electric
Oo,
fan,
pag nalobat yung
charge.
carry na.
One thing y'all need to understand.
Saan ang hidden makeup?
I pulled her hair was because
Ay, meron po siyang makeup dito.
instead I grabbed her hair. I
Sukulay.
I never hit my kids. And the
By
other-
By
Jessic.
Jessic.
I don't accept that.
Yung ref baka nandyan din. Tsaka gusto nyo to.
Napkin.
You a long time ago. I don't care. Y'all
Girl problems.
Yes.
tell me what you want, but at the end of the day,
Pabili po ng bahay.
I never abuse them.
Ay, ito hindi ko nakaya.
On them. If anything,
Meron din siyang dala, te.
Anti-bloated.
Then on a separate live stream, she'll also admit that she almost went to jail. She says,
Te, ang laki apple cider vinegar.
There was some broken glass.
Pagkatapos uminom ng coke, iinom ka niyan.
Oo.
Ganun.
Naloka ako, te.
Broke my phone too.
May apple cider vinegar ganito kalaki, ah.
Me and my daughter got into it.
Ibang klase ka na, eh.
She put her hands on me, and I already told her,
Huh?
stop putting your hands on me, bro. This is not the first time she's done that.
Diba?
Diba?
Ako, tinalo namin si...
Wala na siyang laman.
And she
Ito na lang, mga weights.
Mga weights.
These were all
Ba't yung tubig hindi nadala?
Walang tubig.
Yung ano lang, brags lang for today.
The guy asks
Talo po si Doraemon. Yes, talo pa nga si Doraemon. Naloka nga ako, te. Pero ito po yung mga ano natin. Dyson po for exchange.
Oy!
Steamer
Matagal na to, no?
for exchange. And this pa po mga ano lang. Jisoo Life na lang. Yes, thank you so much. Wallet raid. Ano mo siya wallet? Hindi po ito nagwa-wallet.
later on a live stream. She
Kapin,
said,
mine plancha. Sige, ipamine na natin to.
Uy, kabibili ko lang yan!
she wants to do something.
Kakabili niya lang po nito.
How old are you? She
Kasi, may mga damit na mahirap,
Guy believes it.
pang
Steam.
steamer. So,
Honestly, if I find out
bumila
my
ko
daughter's doing
lang.
something, I'm not
May
gonna
toyo
say
kayo
that.
dyan?
I don't
Wala nga
Yes,
na.
nandito, oh.
But the
Wala kaming toyo, bawal kami sa toyo. Ako lang pala.
Bawal siya sa toyo. Bawal siya sa lahat.
And indirectly,
Actually,
Kape na-
bawal ako sa lahat na.
Bawal. Muti na may 3-in-1 dyan kanina. Munti ko na nga itimpla eh.
Si Daniela mo.
killed his wife and his 2 kids.
Asan na si ate Nel?
Ref raid naman. Sige, let's go. Sige, papakita namin sa inyo yung rep namin, ha? My gosh.
Ano yan eh?
Padumay po yung rep namin. Tingnan nyo, oh.
Tignan nyo, oh, sobrang daming
Sobrang daming
fruit.
prutas, diba? Oh. Ayan. Salamat po sa mga papadala nyo po ng mga prutas. Ah!
Nabas-
Ayan po yung mga
May
prutas.
Yakult, Coco, ano
Asan?
yun? Vita Coco.
Tapos ayan po yung mga
fruit.
fruit
Ito yung
na
Arabic
pinadala nyo.
sweets.
Yung mga chocolate na pinapadala nyo, opo, ayan.
Yeah.
Pasabog.
And then, mga milk.
Milk.
And my Coca-Cola is there.
Yes, ayan mga cokes niya.
Haha.
Okay, nakita nyo na. Tsaka, ang wala lang kami talagang laman dito is yung medyo dito. So, pwede kaming mag-receive ng mga fish fillet, salmon,
Chicken
ganun,
breast.
chicken breast.
Asan yung bangus ko?
Ay, wala na sis. Tinapon na yun, di ba?
Uy, hindi. Bumili ako ng
Ayun, ayun, ayun yung
bangus.
bangus. Ayun siya. Tumaba ka, CJ. Hoy,
Naka-zoom in kasi.
huwag tumatawa ng sabi ng ganun, tumaba.
Tama na. Aray ko, tama yung tumaba. Ito yung food namin for today.
May food for today. Oh.
Ayan.
Laing
Ito,
and
laing and ano to?
langka and chicken curry.
And ampalaya.
Banyo tour po. Ay, wag na yung banyo tour. Hindi
Wag
pa
na
ata
yung
masyadong
banyo
malinis.
tour.
Nak! Kasi yung kasambahay namin dito, hindi pa naglilinis. Iniwanan kasi siya ng asawa niya. So, medyo umiiyak-iyak siya. Shit, ang ganda ko dyan.
Binasyo na naman. Mapakita ko sana pero hindi ko pala na, mauna na si ano, pag...
Bukas na.
Ito. Yun o. Charil. So healthy.
Ano ba yan? Para ka...
Sige, magliligpit muna ako ng mga...
Tignan nyo yun. Building tour. Wag, wala nang building tour. Di naman kami may-ari nito eh. Pag kami na may-ari nitong kondo. Diyan lang, sa ilalim.
Ang ginit na.
Ang ginit, no? Tapos naka long sleeve ako. Eh. Kasi naka-ano ako, naka-pang gym outfit. Pinatungan ko lang na long sleeve kanina kasi umulan, diba? Tapos, dapat mag-aangkas ako. Eh, umulan. So, hindi talaga kaya. Ayun, ano oras na ba? Mag-e-end na din ako. Kakain kami. Tapos, mag-gym. Maaga turo ko bukas. So, ayun. So, see ya. See you guys again. Let's eat, Mami Yaj. We'll eat. Bye.
Bye, everyone! Pwede na po kayo magpadala ng mga healthy to go Capitolio. Thank you so much.
And eggs. Bye. And eggs. Bye. Eggs. Bye.